Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see uh, how to find a IP address of any device, or we also see how to find a MAC address also. And the third thing we'll see in this video, that is how to find a IP address of any website. So let's get started. So firstly, I have opened my terminal. Now type a command, that is sudo su. This is a permission. Now I give my password. Now I am a root user. So firstly, we will see how to find IP address of any device. So firstly, for that we have to know our IP address or device IP address. So how to find our IP address? So type if config. This command is used to find our IP address, our own IP address. Yes, enter. Now we are connected to ETH0, and this is our IP address, 192.168.42.43.48. Okay. Now this is our IP address. Now we will see we are now in a ETH0, Ethernet 0. Okay. So it is important. How to see IP address of anyone? Firstly, we have to connect your hotspot with anyone, and then you can find their IP address and their MAC address. Firstly, we have to connect your through this network. If you are in a college, you can connect with our college LAN. Then anyone who have connected with our college LAN cable, then this all devices IP address you can capture by click by doing one command only. So what is this command? This command is net discover. Net discover, then hyphen I, and we are finding all the devices through a network, that's ETH0. ETH0. Press enter. Now this is our first device. This is our IP address. This is basically my mobile, that is Oppo, and this is my mobile IP address, and this is my mobile MAC address. Okay, and now it is searching. It search all these devices which are connected through my network. Now, second is, this is my PC IP address and MAC address of my PC, and it show unknown vendor. This is me. Now, in my network, only two devices are connected, so that it show only two. If you are connected with a WAN network, wide area network, then there are a lot of devices. Uh, you will see here. So this method is used to find a IP address and MAC address of anyone or any individual. Now press Ctrl C. We have to exit it. Now we will see how to find a IP address of any website. So for that, type a command, that is ns lookup, and I want to find a IP address of Google. Press enter. Now our Google IP address is shown here. Now this is our Google IP address, and this is also a Google IP address, but its version is uh, IPv6. This is IPv4. Okay, this is a different version of IP. Okay, these two IP they will show us. This is a Google IP address. Okay, uh, because we will type here www.google.com. Okay, we can type here any other website, that is ns lookup. Type a command, firstly ns lookup www.instagram.com. Press enter. Now this is our Instagram IP address. Firstly, this is our own IP address. Okay, This is IP address of Instagram, and this is also IP address of Instagram, but the version is IPv6. Okay, so this is two methods. We will see how to find a IP address of any device. In this video, we will see how to find a IP address of any individual, how to find a MAC address of any individual, and how to find a IP address of any website. So if you like our content, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and we will see in our next video. Bye bye.